Alright guys, so this is regarding the explanation of question number 53 of your PCT. First of all, what is the meaning of OD and OS? OD means the right eye and OS means the left eye. Now what you can see is a central scotoma in the left eye, and you can see the supratemporal quadrant enopia towards the right side. Now because it's a central scotoma of the left side, that's why the answer is a left proximal optic nerve lesion. Now many of you were having this doubt that why this is a proximal optic nerve lesion, why this is not a distal optic nerve lesion. So guys, you have to understand that this is a junctional scotoma where the lesion is occurring at the junction of the optic nerve and optic chiasma. So it is actually proximal to this optic chiasma, okay, at the junction of optic nerve and optic chiasma. It's proximal to the optic chiasma, and that's why it is called as the proximal optic nerve lesion, but its more accurate name is the junctional scotoma of the trachea. So whenever you have this junctional scotoma or you have this proximal optic nerve lesion, you will have the central scotoma on that side and supratemporal quadrant enopia on the other side. Now I know you must be thinking that why is it so. So guys, that is a long explanation, and that video also I have recorded separately. I'll share the link with you, but at your level, because you don't have to give your internal examinations, you have to just solve the MCQs. You can remember this and you can solve all the questions by this, that it contains a central scotoma on the same side and supratemporal quadrant enopia on the other side, and I am sure that you will be able to do all the questions. Now sometimes instead of writing central scotomas, they may also write that it consists of the total vision loss. So that is one and the same thing. The optic nerve lesion consists of the total vision loss on the same side, but they are actually represented by the central scotoma. So whether they say the total vision loss or they say central scotomas, that will be the ipsilateral side, and other side will be the supratemporal quadrant enopia. All right.